Why does your scanner show the P1718 engine code? What does it mean? P1718 is a diagnostic trouble code for automatic transmission CAN communication circuit. This engine code indicates that the TCM is having trouble communicating with other control modules in the vehicle, likely due to an issue with the communication network or the TCM itself. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: wiring and connector issues, TCM problems, battery and grounding issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Subaru vehicles, particularly older models like the Outback and Forester models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.